Hi Cedar Park, I'm Charlie with the Recon shop, and today we have a Hyundai Genesis with a really nasty dent in the front fender. Remember, if you have damage like this and you'd like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. You can stop by our location at 201 Industrial Boulevard here in Cedar Park. Although this damage is severe, it's a candidate for paintless dent repair. Paintless dent repair is the only way to remove damage like this while keeping the vehicle's factory finish intact and keeping the Carfax completely clean. Well, thanks for watching the repair on this Hyundai Genesis. We were able to save this fender from needing any conventional bodywork, which keeps the original factory paint job intact. The Carfax stays completely clean, and they're not out of their vehicle for very much time at all. I'm Charlie with the Recon shop, and you can get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Or stop on by. We're located right here in Cedar Park at 201 Industrial Boulevard. Thanks for watching.